My name is Peter de Moerloose. I've worked with our Siemens customers and the Xcelerator portfolio for over 26 years and have for the last 2 years been focused on our low-code platform. I appreciate you giving me a few minutes of your time to talk about the value of low-code application development and show why developing custom applications faster and better will be a key cornerstone in your digitalization journey. My objective is to give you some insights into the challenges we see and how we tackle them with low-code, and share a few use cases on how low-code applications can truly make a difference in PLM. I wanted to start off by sharing this mental picture, showing how the complexity of making decisions is not getting any easier. In fact, it would only get harder as this landscape gets more complex. And actually, I want you to look at this picture from a slightly different angle. Imagine how hard it must be for people to get their job done, or just work with each other. Collaboration has lots of tools these days, but it doesn't change the fact that data is all over the place. And so many people have to be part of a decision. Discussions get lost, context gets missed, adherence to even the simplest processes keeps getting harder, and the list goes on. And add to that the need for multi-user experiences, artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT, and the complexity we are trying to get our arms around using connected applications just requires a very different and a new way of thinking. Organizations that face these digitalization challenges need to change the way that they build and leverage their ecosystem of solutions. Consider a new type and portfolio of applications in order to stay successful and be competitive. At Siemens, we have 3 key components in our strategy that provide a competitive advantage for our customers. We enable the most comprehensive digital twin to predict behavior, optimize performance, and validate the most complex products. We deliver personalized, adaptable, and modern solutions and software for new ways of working, allowing our customers to be competitive. And a flexible and open ecosystem where we offer application development services along with native cloud and cloud-connected products. An ecosystem that provides access to a diverse field of partners in an open ecosystem, which gives you the opportunity to build on your own investment. With the industrial world in the midst of transformation, our Xcelerator portfolio with its comprehensive and integrated portfolio of software and services truly embraces the digital future and is available to you to get going on your journey of digitalization. Sounds easier said than done, right? And we recognize that this is hard. However, it's become increasingly clear that low code is a significant game changer and can truly help. Let's start by asking the question why you should consider low code to get to this digital enterprise and address the complexity of systems and data. Should you use low code to provide that rich user experience the workforce is looking for as they navigate through all their many systems? Could low code bring contextualized data sets to them where they need it, when they need it, and enable that deep collaboration they require to make the right decisions? The answer to those questions? Consider low-code application development because it's the only feasible and responsible way to go about it. Allow me to break that down for you and attempt to prove it. There are 4 key elements layered together that describe how low-code can achieve its goals. Number 1, enabling a connected hub of information. 2, provide a tailored application ecosystem. 3, leveraging digital twin building blocks. And 4, delivering all this using a foundational all-in-one low-code platform. Let me walk you through what this means. A connected hub of information is achieved by unlocking your data and extending legacy systems without limitations. Delivering end-to-end process automation with applications that bring people, data, and systems together across silos. This level of intelligent automation significantly reduces the cost and complexity of integration between disparate systems. Open and extensible at every level, low code allows you to create apps that integrate data and logic from any data source, any system, or any service, maximizing insights from distributed and disparate data. A tailored application ecosystem provides you with the ability to rapidly achieve value with applications tailored to your needs and your industry through industry solutions and configurable templates. This allows you to achieve a personalized and adaptable digital twin, which can be extended outside of the organization with, for example, portals and native mobile apps. I will show you a few of those adaptable applications you can leverage as a starter point later in this presentation. With low code, you can build innovative experiences with a robust set of components that are reusable and based on industry expertise. Now, this expertise is not only provided through widgets and building blocks, but also industry-tailored services that provide process efficiency. These building blocks significantly reduce time to value and usability of custom applications. We want you to hit the mark with the apps quickly, get the applause, and drive success through scale. Our low-code application development platform allows you to go live sooner and get to success faster, empowering both business and professional developers to make apps using a visual language that get to value sooner. It does so by abstracting and automating the development process in a controlled way to build and deliver portable, scalable, resilient, and smart applications that are context-aware and deliver exceptional user experiences. An all-in-one low-code platform allows you to develop and deploy responsibly by collaborating unambiguously throughout the development lifecycle, governed consistently, monitoring performance, security, and governance, and by managing the entire end-to-end application lifecycle. Develop, test, refactor, deploy, and monitor, all from a single platform. As mentioned earlier, I wanted to close this short presentation by talking about some specific use cases we have built using our low-code platform. A type of application I wanted to highlight here is composite apps, apps that retrieve data and provide services from several native solutions like Teamcenter, SAP, and OpsCenter Lab without customizing any of these downstream solutions. Not only does it allow the user to see all three data sets together, the user also has the opportunity to execute specific actions, such as grouping, exporting data, trigger a change request in Teamcenter, initiate a purchase order in SAP, or schedule a lab test in OpsCenter, all from a single application. What you see here is a classic composite app developed rapidly that brings immediate value to users who struggle, having to dive in and out of 3 different systems to review or align or export basic material data. This is a huge time saver and a very easy to use app, even on a cell phone. A second use case focuses on the ability to connect Teamcenter, SimCenter, OpsCenter, SAP, and MindSphere using a single easy to use application, providing a 360-degree view of a product. Not only are we connecting the dots here, but we're using the same dots to assist in executing key processes, such as responding to a field issue or order new material in response to an urgent need that the user was made aware of through the app. The second category of apps I wanted to highlight are those that extend the power of our Xcelerator solutions, adding portals, mobile solutions, a unique personalized experience leveraging the data and the services available through for example, the Teamcenter connector, to execute quality plans on the production floor using a tablet, or add customer and supplier portals to invite external users to participate in unlocking your quality potential, and native mobile applications to bring offline capabilities to Teamcenter Quality, for example. The third category I wanted to touch on reflects our industry expertise. Expertise not only provided through widgets and building blocks, but also industry-tailored knowledge and services. We developed an adaptable sterilization application, as well as applications that support a modular RIM for the medical device industry, fully integrated with the ecosystem that includes Teamcenter, SAP, and OpsCenter. These apps are a great example of company-unique requirements and capabilities that are not available in either native solutions or off-the-shelf, and typically would require you to customize native solutions to add on these features. With low code, you can not only develop these unique capabilities based on your specific needs and requirements, but you can also do rapidly and responsibly without compromising the core of the native solutions. I hope that with this short presentation, I've given you some food for thought on the unique and critical role low-code plays in tackling the digitalization challenge by leveraging that flexible open ecosystem and create personalized, adaptable solutions and applications that enable a comprehensive digital twin, extending Xcelerator one app at a time, developed in low-code with Mendix.